up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a hygiene routine. I'm just going to be showing you guys my full hygiene routine that has been working well for me. I'm also going to give you guys some little tips and tricks that you guys probably didn't know, or maybe you do know, I don't know, but I'm just going to be showing you guys how to stay real clean, smelling good all day. And yeah, so let's just get straight into this. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So first and foremost, I just want to get into some overall things that help your body. First, we're just going to start off with some water. Water helps with everything. It helps with your pH balance, everything down there, clear skin, hair, nails, just all of that. Just make sure you guys are drinking a good amount of water. I try to drink about 3 of these a day, and this is, I think, 24 ounces, so whatever 3 times 24 is, if you just try to drink as much water as you can, you will be good. And it also helps with weight loss and just being healthy with your body if you do work out, so water is definitely important. Another thing that I really have been loving is kombucha. This brand is the Synergy brand. I know there's other brands out there, but this is personally my favorite, and I've heard really good things about it, and I've been using it for a few months now, and I've really been loving it. At first, the taste can be a little nasty, but as time goes on, you get used to it, and you guys need to try out different flavors. Then you can see which one you like the most, and then drink that one, and it honestly gets better over time. It has a lot of probiotics, so this again is overall healthy for down there in that area and just your whole body, and it also helps with bloating as well. Okay, so now let's get into what I use for my hair. These are the 2 things that I use for my hair. This brand is the Aussie brand. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it. Honestly, this is a pretty good brand. My hair has grown from using it. Sometimes I like to get the deep conditioner too if I want to deep condition my hair. It makes your hair smell really good, and if you do have curly hair, I feel like it does work good for curly hair and for straight hair as well. But for all my curly heads out there, I definitely recommend this brand. And I don't always shampoo my hair. Probably shampoo my hair 2 times a month, or maybe even once a month, because for my hair texture, I have 4BC type of hair, I want to say. It's not good to shampoo your hair all the time. And to slick my hair down, I use the Eco Styler gel, the one that has the green cap and it's all just green, because I know there's another one that has green and another color, but get the all green one. This is very good for my hair. It slicks my hair down really good, keeps it slicked all day. And I also use this on my eyebrows, and as you can see, my eyebrows are laid down, so I definitely recommend using this on your eyebrows. Next, we're gonna get into face and skincare. You guys can get everything that I show you from my skincare off skincarefactory.com, so make sure you guys go shop Skincare Factory. I will have it linked below in the description box, so make sure you go check it out. I will also have a discount code for you guys down below so you guys can get a percentage off. But let's just get straight into what I use. So in the morning, I use, it's a bit used as you can see, but this is the Vitamin C Hydrating Facial Cleanser, and I just do 1 wash. It smells really good. And then after, I'll go in with the Vitamin C Hydrating Anti-Aging Serum, and then I'll also go in with the Ormedic Balancing Antioxidant Serum after that. And I'm actually all out of this, so I need some more, and this is really my favorite. I actually use this before I put on my makeup as well, so I use it as a primer. So if you guys do get this, then I would use it even before your makeup, because it leaves you with a nice base. And then I go in with some sunscreen. This is the Daily Hydrating Moisturizer Sunscreen. It's SPF 30, and I recommend you guys using sunscreen no matter if it's this one or another one, but sunscreen really helps with aging and wrinkles. And even on days it's not sunny, still wear sunscreen, because it's honestly really good for your skin. And I know you guys don't want wrinkles, because I don't want wrinkles either. Even if you are dark skin and you think you don't get sunburn, it really doesn't matter. It helps prevent skin cancer and, like I said, wrinkles, so you guys should still be wearing your sunscreen. Then at nighttime, I will use the Clearasil Clarifying Salicylic Gel Cleanser, and I'll use that at nighttime, and then I'll go in with the same Vitamin C moisturizer and then this Ormedic serum as well. A tip and trick for washing my face is when I do wash my face, I do not rub it dry. I like to pat it dry. That's just something that I learned. I just heard it was better for the face to pat pat dry it. I don't really know the explanation behind it, but I feel like it's not so rough on your face. And for my face, I do use makeup wipes. I know they might not be the best for your face, but this is what works for me, and my skin is pretty clear with using them. Okay, so moving on to oral and your mouth and everything like that. Let's get into it, guys. First, I use this toothbrush. It's a electric toothbrush. It only has 3 different modes, and it came with 3 different heads. It actually tells you when you're supposed to change the head out, and it comes with a charger as well, so you have to charge it from time to time, and it'll let you know that on the bottom here it'll start blinking when it either needs to be changed out or charged. This is called the Philips Sonicare toothbrush. I think I got this from Costco, but I've been had it, so I'm not completely sure where I got it from, but I definitely recommend you guys to go get an electric toothbrush for sure. And then the toothpaste I use is this Crest White toothpaste. This is the Scope flavor, I think. I don't really know. It doesn't really say a flavor, but it's the Scope kind. It's green. I know they have like a blue kind and some other kinds, but honestly, I feel like this keeps my breath the mintiest and just smelling really, really fresh and just very refreshing. Another toothpaste that I have used in the past, I don't currently use it right now, but I feel like I will start back using it again. But I remember I was using it consistently, and this is a black charcoal toothpaste. This is the Hello kind. I feel like this has actually really worked. If you just use it consistently for like a week, I feel like you'll definitely be able to see results, maybe even 3 days. But I definitely recommend that if you guys are looking to whiten your teeth. I will tell you guys some other tricks to whiten your teeth as well that actually helped me, because I remember not too long ago I was really looking into things that would help whiten my teeth, and that was definitely one of them. And then another one that I previously just started using is this Crest 3D White Glamorous White mouthwash. I was using the Oro one that I seen trend on TikTok and social media and stuff. I'll put a picture right here because I don't even know the name of it, but I was using that one, and honestly the pink one was okay. I don't really feel like it left my breath that minty as much as this one does. I don't think it whitens the teeth as well. I feel like that's more of like a protecting one for cavities, which is also good, but I like more of like a very minty one and one that's gonna whiten my teeth, because I can brush and get in there for the cavities and eat the right things. Another thing I recommend for whitening is obviously Crest White Strips. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these everywhere. These really do work. If you do those consistently for a week as well, I feel like you'll see a big difference, and then you can stay off of them for a month, and then the next month or maybe even 2 months you can do it again for a week to whiten it. But I feel like it lasts you pretty long, and they can make your teeth sensitive, so if you already have sensitive teeth, you want to be careful with that. Another few things for oral care is these disposable gentle floss tapes. So these can be on the go, and if you are doing it for like your nighttime or morning routine, really whatever, if you want to clean your teeth. But I like it because you can just take it on the go. So if you're eating something, if you go on a date, or really if you go anywhere and you eat something, you don't want things in your teeth. So these are really good. And then another thing is these disposable tongue cleaners. These are really good because all the bacteria is on your tongue, so you guys want to make sure you guys are brushing your tongue really well and using a tongue scraper as well, because these will definitely help with your bad breath. And another thing for oral that I absolutely love is gum and mints. You still want to make sure you're brushing your teeth, because you don't want to not brush your teeth right and then pop in some gum or mint, because that bad breath is just gonna come back to you. I love gum. I feel like I always have it in my mouth. I have the peppermint one. I switch off from the spearmint, peppermint, and really all of them, but this is my favorite brand, the extra brand. And I love getting the big kind, because if I get the small kind, I'm just gonna run out really fast. I like the Altoids. I like the blue kind. You can also get the red kind. I do like to use Vaseline. This is petroleum jelly, same thing. This is a little beat up because I've been using it for a long time, but this honestly lasts you so long. This keeps my lips very soft. If you use this at nighttime or even a day, or your lips are dry and you're not going anywhere and need something very glossy, definitely use some petroleum jelly, Vaseline, whatever, and I promise you your lips will be soft. Trust me, I've been told. No, I'm just kidding, but yeah, your lips will be soft. Now onto body. I have a lot of different things over here that I have set aside. First, I'm just gonna say you need a loofah to start. Loofahs are great for the body, but make sure you guys are regularly changing them out so that bacteria does not build inside of there. And you should only be using your loofahs on your body, not down there in that area and not back there in that area. On those little areas, you want to be using a rag, and you want to be changing your rag out every single time you shower. I know it is a lot of laundry, but that's what's going to be keeping it clean down there. No matter what, if you rinse it out with soap, no, it does not rinse out from what you clean down there and what you clean back there. Like, no, please just dispose it and do that laundry to keep it clean down there, okay? So for body washes, I at first was using this shea butter and vanilla Dove one, but honestly, I think I'm kind of over that. I'm definitely a coconut vanilla girl, but I don't feel like it leaves my skin smelling like coconut and vanilla, and I feel like there's better options. So I've been using the Dove Deep Moisture. I feel like that works so much better. I can smell the actual scent when I come out of the shower. I feel like that really just gets deep in your skin and cleans you off really good. And I'll use that first, and then I'll go in with this Method body wash. This is the coconut rice milk and shea butter one. This one, 10 out of 10. This one definitely smells like coconut and vanilla, and when you come out the shower, it still has you smelling like that. And they're very moisturizing to the skin, so I definitely feel soft when I come out. I don't feel too dry. I feel just nice and relaxed. I really love these, and I feel like Dove is definitely one of the best body washes out there, especially for sensitive skin, because I do have sensitive skin, and I actually shave with this Dove because I can't use any shaving creams or exfoliator, scrubs, any of that stuff, because my skin is just so sensitive. I don't know why, but I just use the Dove to shave down there and legs, all over. And for a razor, I do use the Venus razor, and it comes with these razor blades as well. I do like waxing as well. I used to get wax down in that area, and I definitely do recommend that because it does last you longer and does help with ingrowns and razor burns and everything like that. To me, it doesn't hurt that much because I would get a numbing cream first and then it would be done. Also laser as well. I am looking into getting laser everywhere, so if you have got laser, let me know in the comments below how that has went for you or how that did go for you. Another thing that I use for my face is these small little razor blades. So this came in a pack of 3, and I got this from Walmart, and it was like $5, I want to say, so really good price. And I use this for my upper lip, and then, you know, if you get little hairs right here, we're girls, let's just keep it real, we grow hair sometimes in weird odd spots on our faces, so it's good for getting those little hairs off of your face. Or even if you try to cut your eyebrows, I will wash myself with the Dove 2 to 3 times with the loofah all over, and then I'll wash with this Method body wash twice, so probably a total of like 6 scrubs. I'm a little extra, but I really like to just get all that dirt off of me and just feel and smell clean as possible. And I only use the Dove one down there in those areas, and obviously you do not go inside the hole down there in the front area. Nothing scented or nothing is going inside, but everything around it for sure. I don't know why people say just let water rinse down there, but no, I'm definitely gonna use a soap down there. Just be careful it's not getting on the inside. Speaking on that topic, I do use these cranberry urinary tract health cranberry pills, and it says on here #1 most trusted brands. I got these from Costco, and I take 2 a day, and I feel like it has been helping. I definitely have been noticing a difference. I've been feeling cleaner. If you're looking for a good one, I definitely recommend this one. Moving on to what I use after the shower, so let's just get into all of my lotions and perfumes because I use a lot. For under my arms, I like to use this Secret deodorant. It's the Ocean Breeze 48-hour clear gel. I used to use the powdered Secret one, and I feel like that one clogged up my pores a lot, so I switched over to the gel ones, and I feel like those work way better and keep the scent on for a lot longer than the powdered one. First, my holy grail lotion, this coconut body butter. This smells so good. You can only get this from Trader Joe's, so So I know not every state has Trader Joe's, but if you do, or if you don't even know if you have one, look it up in your maps and see if you do, because if you do, you guys need to go run and get this, because this leaves your body smelling so good and feeling so smooth, I promise you. But sometimes that can go fast for me because I do like to use a lot of it all over. So I recently did get the EOS lotion. You guys have been seeing this everywhere probably, so I wanted to see what the hype was about, and it definitely is worth the hype. It's 24-hour moisture body lotion. This one is the vanilla cashmere one, and this is my favorite, but every time I've been to Target, they've been sold out. So I decided to try the other one that's coconut waters, and this one smells good, but I definitely like the vanilla one more. But those smell really good, and I don't like something too thick but definitely not watery, so this is a good mixture of both. Another lotion that I like to use is this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream lotion. This one smells really good, and I don't use this all over my body at all. I will only use this behind my ear, and I'll put it in areas that I'm showing skin, but always behind the ear, so if someone comes to hug me, then they can smell me. This is a pretty pricey lotion, so I don't like to use a lot if I don't need to. Other lotions that I use is first this Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Shimmer lotion. I don't know if they still have this because I got this a very long time ago, but I only use this because I like to be sparkly and shiny. I'll use that before I put on my next lotion that I use, and this is the Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Splash, and this is their limited edition one. This came out in the summertime, so they don't have this anymore, but if they do have it next summer, I definitely recommend you guys to go get this one. This one smells really, really good. Bare Vanilla always has some good limited edition ones because I don't really like just the straight Bare Vanilla spray. I like a one that has a little bit of other scents in it as well. With that being said, I like to go in with that matching perfume. I'll just spray that on me first. Since this is limited edition, I obviously do run out and then can't get another one, so I'll either go get something similar in the Bare Vanilla collection or something that has coconut and vanilla scents in it. And then my favorite perfume of all time is the Ariana Grande Sweet Like Candy perfume. Honestly, the combination of like a vanilla and then like a sweet candy type of smell just goes hand in hand together. And then recently I've been spraying the 62 Brazilian Crush spray on just as a little spray because like I said, I do put this behind my ears and sometimes in areas I'm showing skin, so obviously that combination goes well together. Another little trick for your perfume lasting long is getting some petroleum jelly or Vaseline and putting a little bit behind your ear and by your ankles or just in little spots and areas like that, and then spraying your perfume on top of it because that makes it last longer from experience, and I've heard other people say that as well, so that's just a little trick. And yeah, so that is the end of the video. That is my feminine hygiene routine of 2023 right now. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions for me, leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.